Hello lovers of Heidi's Kitchen, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for stopping by. Today I share with you how to cook Egyptian local rice mixed with vermicelli. Do well to watch to the end, give this video a thumb up and let's get started. So guys, this is the Egyptian local rice. This is how it is looking like, and this rice has grades. They have 3 types of it, but this one is number 1. The moment you tell them that you want the number 1, they will give it to you. I so much love this rice because you can use it to make rice fufu, jollof rice, fried rice. If you check my short, you will see where I use it to cook jollof rice. So now I'll just go ahead and clean the rice. Okay, you clean it for like 3 times until the water is very clear. Okay, until you are sure you have cleaned it properly. Okay, as you can see, I wash it for 3 times and the water is clear. Okay, so this is what we have now. In my pot I will add in little oil, okay, depending on the quantity of the rice you are cooking. And this is the vermicelli. This is how it is looking like, more or less like spaghetti, but this one is tiny and very small. Okay, so I had it in the oil and I'll continue to stir fry it until it becomes this golden brown. Make sure it is not too brown so you don't get it burnt. Okay, so at this point I had in my Egyptian local rice. Yes, this is how it is looking like. So I had in and quickly mix it together so that the vermicelli don't get burnt. Okay, so I had the rest of the rice. Another thing I love about this rice is that it does not take time before it is cooked, and it does not require much water. It does not require much water at all. So after adding the rice, I stir fry it for few minutes. Okay, you have to stir fry for few minutes and add hot water. Remember, I said it does not require much water. Just make sure you add the water to the level of the rice you are cooking. So I add salt to taste, and I'll cover to cook on medium heat. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, under 3 minutes, go back and check it because it does not take time. So this is it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is just to steam it. Okay, it's not well cooked yet. Okay, so I'll just cover it with my plastic wrap and then put it on let your gas be on the lowest heat, the lowest of the lowest. Okay, because we are just going to steam it for few minutes. Okay, so I cover it and steam it, and this is what we have. Our Egyptian local rice mixed with vermicelli is ready. If you want to enjoy this rice, make sure you mix it with vermicelli. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I appreciate you so much. If you are here to give it a thumb up, please do well to give this video a thumb up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.